Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily create a custom animated clock for your Samsung Galaxy lock screen. So actually there are a few ways of doing so. The most advanced is with the Samsung DIMA editor, but it is not like recommended for the beginners. So I will show you the one method which is for me the best. Which requires the separate application, Good Lock. And here in the Good Lock we have two ways, but I will show you the only one. And it works from 1.4 to 6.1, and here we have 7 and 8 actually. So works to the latest One UI application, from 4 to the 8.5 beta. So at first you need to open the Galaxy Store application over here. No, not this, not Google Messages. Galaxy Store. And now here tap this search icon. Tap search and search just for Good Lock application. This is this application, Good Lock Labs. If you don't have this application installed, tap install. If you do, tap open. Of course, remember that this application is free, so don't worry, you will have every single dollar in your account still without spending anything. So here you need to tap the application called the ClockFace because we want to manage our clock. So here, if we are in the ClockFace, we can tap this plus. Here, as you can see, we can change the style of our clock. For example, we can set this one. We can change the style of our clock, like mode, type, hour, color of the hour, color of this, like as you can see, semicolon, color of the minutes. If we add plus over here, we can add date, manage the date. For example, we can move it over here. It looks bad, so at the moment I need to edit it somehow so we can see anything. Let me, for example, do something like this, and like this, for example. It's nice, I think so, and we can see anything over here. Here we can add, as you can see, date. We can manage the date, like it's bold, underlined, or any other device font. Here, if we tap another plus, we can add GIF. If you add GIF, we can add, for example, like this is powered by Tenor, so we can just search for GIFs, mention the styles of these GIFs, etc. And here we have this first one, Happy New Year. We can add Happy New Year over here, add another plus, we can add image, for example, Minecraft heart, I think so, or just pixelated heart, place it over here. This sound, as you can see, we can enter image from our gallery, manage the styles, etc. Everything. Here, another plus. We can text, clock, analog, text, image, weather. Everything that you just want. Tap download to download this clock. I know that that doesn't look fine, but it's just to show you the possibility of this application. And now here you can tap it. Tap here this lock. This clock, and now we can move it around our lock screen. Tap done, and now change applied to lock screen. And if we open ClockFace again, we can see our clock in my clock over here. Here, if we tap Studio, you do have some other, but it's not custom one. And actually, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.